Pasensya
Welcome
na,
to the new
pasensya
era
na.
of video creation with
Hindi ko
HeyGen.
sinasadya.
Simply type your script to
Salamat
get
at
started.
nailigtas mo ang buhay ng
Welcome
ama
to the
ko,
new era
ngunit
of
nagawa
video
ko pa rin
creation with
ito.
HeyGen. Simply type
Paumanhin
your script to
talaga.
get started.
Ayos lang,
Welcome to
ayos
the new
lang.
era of video creation
Kasalanan
with
ko rin,
HeyGen.
hindi ko
Simply
nakontrol
type
ang
your script
posisyon
to get
ko.
started.
Hindi kita
Welcome to the new
masisisi,
era
senior
of video
sister.
creation with HeyGen.
At saka,
Simply type your
ligtas tayong
script to get
nakapasok.
started.
Ngunit baka sa Jade
Welcome to the
Garden,
new
mas
era of
marami pa
video
ang
creation
problema.
with HeyGen. Simply
Ang
type
mga
your
tauhan
script
ng
to get
Yangway
started.
Escort Agency ay
Welcome to
walang
the new
formation
era of
talent
video
tulad ni
creation with
Junior Brother
HeyGen.
Ye.
Simply type your script
Para
to get
mabuksan nila
started.
ang sacrificial altar,
Welcome to the new
kailangan
era
nilang
of video
maghain.
creation with HeyGen.
Kaya
Simply
gagamitin
type
nila
your
ang
script to get started.
pakikipagsapalaran para akitin ang
Welcome to
lahat.
the new era of video
Buti na lang
creation
at
with
maswerte
HeyGen.
tayo
Simply
kaya
type
ganito
your
ang
script to get
nangyari.
started.
Hindi ko
Welcome
akalaing
to the new
magpapadala
era of
sila ng
video
Peak
creation
Martial
with
Grandmaster
HeyGen.
na
Simply type your
nagtatago ng
script to
kanyang
get
martial
started.
Dao intent. Kung hindi ko inilabas ang lakas ng aking bloodline para sirain ang pressure, baka napatay na nila tayo. Kasalanan ko dahil sa akin kaya napahamak ang mga junior brother. Hindi ko akalaing makakaharap ko sila at hindi ko rin
Welcome to the
akalaing
new era of
maglalakas loob
video
silang gawin
creation with
ito.
HeyGen. Simply
Basta may
type your
padala ko
script
ang
to get
impormasyon
started.
tungkol sa background
Welcome
ng
to the new
Elade.
era of
Ayos lang
video
kahit
creation
mamatay
with
ako.
HeyGen. Simply type
Hindi
your
nila
script
tayo
to get
matutunton.
started. Welcome to the
Umalis na
new era
tayo,
of video
malapit na ang mga
creation with
yon.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Mayroon silang
script to
Peak
get
Martial
started.
Grandmaster, isang
Welcome to
martial
the new
master,
era of
at
video
10
creation
martial
with
artists.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Kung
script to
maharap
get
natin sila
started.
ulit, tiyak na hindi
Welcome
tayo
to the new era
mananalo.
of video creation
Mas
with
mabuting
HeyGen.
maghanap na lang
Simply
tayo
type
ng
your
lugar
script to
na
get started.
mapagtataguan.
Welcome to the
Ang
new
lugar na
era
ito
of
ay
video
hindi mas
creation with
mabuti kaysa sa
HeyGen.
labas.
Simply type your script to get
Kahit saan
started.
ay may ambush
Welcome
formations.
to the new era of video
Kung
creation
naglakas
with
loob silang
HeyGen.
pumasok
Simply
dito,
type your
baka
script to get
manatili na sila
started.
rito magpakailanman.
Welcome to the new era of
Gusto
video
niyang patayin
creation
ang
with
grupo ng
HeyGen.
mga tao na
Simply
yon,
type your
pati
script
na
to
rin
get
ang Peak
started.
Martial Grandmaster.
Welcome to the new era
Ang
of
gaan
video
ng kanyang
creation
tono,
with HeyGen.
sobrang confident
Simply
niya.
type your script to get started.
Tara, pumunta tayo sa kabilang panig. Junior Brother Ye, marami tayong pwedeng pagpilian, bakit kailangan pa nating dumaan sa rutang ito? At saka, bakit ka nagtatanim ng maraming martial sovereign coins sa daan? Anong binabalak mo?
Welcome to the new
Ang
era
rutang
of
ito
video
mismo
creation
ay
with
isang malaking
HeyGen.
killer
Simply
formation
type
na
your
kayang
script to
pumatay
get
ng
started.
ordinaryong martial
Welcome to the
grandmaster.
new era of video creation
Dinagdagan
with
ko lang ng
HeyGen.
kaunting
Simply
lakas
type your
para
script to get
masigurong
started.
mapapatay nito ang Peak Martial
Welcome to the new era
Grandmaster.
of video creation with
Kayang pumatay ng
HeyGen.
martial
Simply type your
grandmaster.
script to get started.
Dapat ay nasa
Welcome
high-grade
to the
killer
new era
formation
of
na
video
yon.
creation with HeyGen.
Paano mo
Simply
nagawang
type your
dagdagan ang
script to
lakas
get
ng
started.
formation sa grade na yon
Welcome to the
gamit
new
lamang
era
ang
of
martial
video
sovereign
creation with
coins?
HeyGen. Simply type
Sa
your
daan
script to
papunta
get
rito,
started.
wala akong nakuhang
Welcome
mga
to the new
materyales
era
sa
of
paggawa
video
ng
creation with
formation,
HeyGen.
kaya gumamit na
Simply
lang
type
ako
your
ng
script to
martial
get
coins
started.
bilang pansamantalang
Welcome to
pamalit.
the new era of video
Pasensya
creation
na,
with
senior
HeyGen.
sister,
Simply
pinatawa
type your
kita.
script to get started.
Kung nagawa mo ito
Welcome to
gamit
the new
lamang ang
era of
martial
video
sovereign
creation with
coins,
HeyGen.
hindi ko
Simply
akalaing
type your script
makakakilala
to get
ako ng isang
started.
pambihirang tao.
Welcome to the new era of video
Mababa pa ang iyong
creation with
cultivation,
HeyGen. Simply
ngunit ang
type
iyong
your script to
confidence
get
ay
started.
nakakapanatag. Sa totoo lang, isa lang siyang third-grade martial warrior. Ang kanyang cultivation ay mas mababa kaysa sa akin. Ngunit hindi ko maiwasang magtiwala sa kanya. Nakakapagtakang gusto kong umasa sa kanya.
Welcome to the
Siguro
new era
dahil
of video
nailigtas niya
creation
ako.
with HeyGen.
Senior
Simply
sister,
type your
sa
script
loob,
to get
nagmarka
started.
ako ng isang formation
Welcome to the new era of video creation with
tandaan mo.
HeyGen. Simply type your script to
Magagamit
get
natin yon
started.
para sa kaligtasan.
Welcome to the new era of
Salamat
video
ha,
creation with
tatandaan ko
HeyGen.
yan.
Simply type your script to
Sobrang
get started.
maalalahanin niya.
Welcome to the new
Sino
era
nang
of video
mag-aakalang ganito
creation
siya
with
kaina?
HeyGen. Simply type your
Hindi.
script to get started.
Bakit puro
Welcome to
positibo
the
ang
new
iniisip
era
ko
of video
tungkol sa
creation
kanya?
with HeyGen.
At
Simply type
saka,
your
habang
script to get
tinitingnan ko
started.
siya, mas lalo siyang
Welcome to the new
gumagwapo.
era of video
Kung
creation with
magpapatuloy
HeyGen.
ito, hindi
Simply
ito
type your
tama.
script to get started.
Siguradong mayroon din
Welcome to
siyang
the
mga
new era of
pagkukulang.
video creation with HeyGen.
Tama,
Simply
tama.
type your script to get
Hindi
started.
ko siya pwedeng isipin ng
Welcome to
ganito
the new era
kaganda.
of video creation with
Ay, tama.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Senior
script to get
sister,
started.
paglabas natin, may
Welcome
gusto
to the
sana
new
akong
era of
ipatulong
video
sa'yo.
creation with HeyGen.
Kung
Simply type
makakaligtas
your
tayo,
script to get
kahit
started.
100 bagay ay tutulungan kita. Hindi naman ito malaki. Sa harap ng ibang mga Jade Maidens, gusto kong magpanggap na minamanyak kita. Ano? Bakit napakabastos mo? Isa pa, hindi pa tayo masyadong magkakilala.
Welcome to the new era of video
Kaibigan lang
creation
tayo
with
sa gitna
HeyGen.
ng kaguluhan,
Simply
kaya
type your
hindi ito
script to get
naangkop.
started.
Kahit
Welcome to
baliktarin
the
mo
new
man,
era
ako
of
dapat
video
ang unang
creation with
magsabi ng
HeyGen.
ganyan.
Simply type your script to
Ha?
get started.
Ang ibig
Welcome to
sabihin
the
mo,
new era of video
wala
creation
namang
with
ganyan sa
HeyGen.
quest completion
Simply type your
bonus,
script
hindi
to get
ba?
started.
Senior
Welcome to
sister,
the new
kung
era
sobra
of
sa iyo
video
yon,
creation with
magpapanggap na lang
HeyGen.
akong
Simply type your
aksidente.
script to get started.
Quest completion
Welcome
bonus.
to the new era of
Ano
video
ba yan?
creation with HeyGen.
Mukhang
Simply type your
sobra akong
script to get
nag-isip.
started.
Nahanap ko
Welcome
na
to
ang
the new
dalawang
era
asong
of video
iyon.
creation with
Scene
HeyGen. Simply
transition,
type your
chapter
script to get started.
217,
Welcome to
Supreme
the new
Divine
era
Art,
of video
Kissing Tongue
creation with
helps
HeyGen.
catalyze
Simply type
formation.
your
Kayo
script
nga
to get
talaga ang
started.
hinahanap ko.
Welcome to the new
Sa
era
huling
of video
pagkakataon,
creation with
nakatakas kayo.
HeyGen. Simply type your script to
Ngayon,
get
hindi na
started.
kayo makakatakas.
Welcome to the new era of
Anong
video
nangyayari
creation with
dito?
HeyGen. Simply type your
Aray,
script to get started.
Young Master, umatras ka. May kakaiba sa lugar na ito. Anong nangyayari? Ang mga puno ay gumagalaw, at ang kanilang atake ay katumbas ng atake ng isang martial master. Ano? Nasa malalim na
Welcome to
kabubatan
the new
tayo.
era of video creation
Bawat
with
dahon,
HeyGen.
bawat puno,
Simply
ay may
type your
lakas
script
ng
to
isang
get
martial
started.
master.
Welcome to the
Kahit
new
ako ay
era of
hindi
video
makakalaban.
creation with HeyGen.
Ang
Simply
mga
type
sanga
your
ng
script to
puno
get
ay mayroon
started.
ding mga runes na
Welcome to the new
nagpapakita at
era of video
nagtatago.
creation with HeyGen.
Anong gagawin
Simply type
natin?
your script to get started.
Young Master, hindi natin
Welcome
sila
to the new
pwedeng
era
hayaang
of video
makatakas.
creation with HeyGen.
Hindi
Simply
madaling
type your
hanapin
script to
ang
get started.
mga yon.
Welcome to the new era of
Hindi
video
madaling
creation
pakawalan
with
sila.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Runes.
script to get started.
Ang buong kagubatan
Welcome to
ay
the
isang
new
malaking
era of
killer
video
formation
creation
na
with
tumutubo
HeyGen.
rito.
Simply type your script to
Huwag
get
kang
started.
mag-alala.
Welcome to the
Kahit
new
gaano
era of
kalakas ang
video
mga
creation with
puno pa rin
HeyGen.
sila.
Simply type your script to
Hindi
get
sila pwedeng
started.
gumalaw ng malayo.
Welcome to the new era
Ang
of
haba
video
ng
creation
sanga ang
with
nagtatakda
HeyGen.
ng kanilang
Simply type your
atake.
script to get started.
Basta makontrol
Welcome
natin
to
ang
the new
range,
era
walang
of
dapat
video creation
ikabahala.
with HeyGen. Simply
Killer
type your
formation
script to get
activation.
started.
O Diyos ko. Ganito pala? Ano? Ina. Gumagalaw nga talaga. Ano nung pinagsasabi mo? Puno ba talaga to? Sobrang nakakalito. Tiw,
Welcome to the
tiw.
new era of video creation
Aray.
with HeyGen.
Nabali ang
Simply
braso
type
ko.
your script to get started.
Ang binti ko.
Welcome to the new
O
era
Diyos
of
ko.
video creation with HeyGen.
Ang proteksyon ng
Simply
ki
type
ay
your
walang
script to get
silbi.
started.
Ano ba talaga
Welcome to
ito?
the new era of video
Ang
creation
dalawang
with
asong iyon ay
HeyGen.
nagtatag
Simply
ng
type your
ambush.
script to get started.
Kung magaling kayo,
Welcome
harapin
to
niyo
the
ako
new
ng
era of
harapan.
video creation with
Kahit sino
HeyGen.
nang may
Simply
utak,
type your
hindi
script to
haharap
get
sa iyo ng
started.
harapan.
Welcome to the new
Mamamatay lang
era of
ako.
video creation with
1
HeyGen.
hour later.
Simply type your script to get
Aray.
started. Welcome
Matapos
to the
nilang
new
pumatay
era
ng
of
mga
video
tao,
creation with
sinisipsip pa
HeyGen.
nila ang dugo
Simply
ng
type
mga
your
katawan.
script to get started.
Pati ang mga damit
Welcome
at
to the new
armas ay
era of
hindi nila
video creation
pinalampas.
with HeyGen. Simply
O
type
Diyos
your
ko,
script
ang
to get
formation na
started.
ito ay napakasama.
Welcome to the new era of
Hindi
video
ko akalaing
creation
ganito
with
kalakas ang
HeyGen. Simply
kapangyarihan
type your
nito.
script to get started.
Kung ordinaryong tao
Welcome
ang
to the new
mapadpad
era
dito,
of video
hindi nila
creation with
malalaman kung
HeyGen.
bakit sila
Simply type
namatay.
your script to get started.
Junior Brother Ye, umalis na tayo rito. Nakakatakot dito. Elngan. At saka, kung ang lugar na ito ay isang maliit na mundo, siguradong mayroon ding mga kayamanan. Tingnan natin. Di ba kayamanan lang
Welcome
yon?
to the new era of video
Ano nang
creation
meron?
with HeyGen.
Sabog
Simply
agad.
type your script to get started.
Junior Sister Bayming,
Welcome to the
gamitin
new
mo ang
era
iyong
of
martial
video
Dao
creation
spirit
with
para
HeyGen.
dagdagan ang
Simply type
kaalaman
your
niya.
script to get started.
Bihira kong makitang
Welcome to the
seryoso
new
si
era of
Bayming.
video creation with
Tama nga,
HeyGen.
ang lugar
Simply
na
type
ito
your
ay
script to
nilikha
get
ng isang
started.
martial god.
Welcome to the new
Kahit si
era of
Bayming
video
ay
creation
mahihirapang
with
labanan
HeyGen.
ito.
Simply type your script to get
Naiintindihan ko
started.
na.
Welcome to
Gusto
the new
pala ng
era
master
of
na
video
turuan ang
creation with
batang babae.
HeyGen. Simply type your script to get
Naiintindihan ko
started.
na.
Welcome
Kaya
to the
pala
new
ayaw
era
siyang
of
patayin
video
ng
creation
master.
with HeyGen. Simply
Ay,
type your
bakit?
script to get started.
Mayroon na akong
Welcome
silaner,
to the
kaya
new
bakit
era
ko
of
pa
video
iisipin ang
creation
ibang
with
babae?
HeyGen. Simply type your
Tama.
script to get started.
Hindi lahat ng
Welcome
babae
to
ay
the new
katulad ni
era of
Sulan na
video
may
creation
spotless
with
physique.
HeyGen. Simply type
Ang
your script to
bloodline ng
get
babaeng
started.
ito ay hindi rin
Welcome to the
ordinaryo,
new era
ngunit
of
hindi
video
ito
creation with
pinapansin ng master.
HeyGen. Simply type your script to get
Napakagahaman
started.
nga. Talagang napakagahaman. Hindi ko maintindihan. May problema ba sa interpretasyon mo? Gusto ko lang gamitin ang kakayahan mo para makahanap ng kayamanan. Bakit napunta tayo dito? Kung hindi siya gusto
Welcome
ng
to the new
master,
era of
gawin na
video
lang siyang
creation with
katulong.
HeyGen. Simply
Mayroon pa
type
rin
your
gamit
script to
siya.
get started.
Bayming,
Welcome
ano
to
ng
the
mga
new era of
pinagsasabi
video
mo?
creation with HeyGen.
Hindi kita
Simply type
maintindihan.
your script to get started.
Huwag ka nang magsalita
Welcome to
tungkol
the
sa
new
ibang
era of
babae,
video
lalo na
creation
sa
with
harap ni Lander.
HeyGen. Simply type your script
Ay,
to get
malinaw na
started.
isang first-class physique
Welcome to
at
the new era
bloodline ang
of video
sinayang mo.
creation with HeyGen.
Junior
Simply type
Brother
your
Ye,
script to
anong
get started.
tinitingnan mo?
Welcome to the
Wala,
new era
wala.
of video creation with
Tara na.
HeyGen. Simply type your
In the
script to
following
get
time,
started.
relying on Beaming's
Welcome to the
ability,
new era
Beaming
of video
unscrupulously
creation with
explored in the
HeyGen.
small
Simply
world.
type your script to get started.
Master,
Welcome to the
Master,
new era of video
sa
creation
punong
with
iyon ay may
HeyGen.
peach.
Simply type your script to get
Kapag
started.
kinain, maaari itong
Welcome to the
mag-engrave
new
ng mga
era of
runes
video
sa iyong
creation
katawan
with
na
HeyGen.
nagpapalakas sa
Simply
iyong
type your
pisikal na
script to get
katawan.
started.
Iyan ay
Welcome to
isang
the new
magandang
era of
bagay.
video creation with
Ito ay
HeyGen.
isang
Simply
money-shaking
type your
tree.
script to get started.
Money-shaking tree. Basta i-shake mo, may mahuhulog na third grade talisman coins. Pwede itong ipalit sa Marshall Sovereign coins. Talaga mayroon palang money-shaking tree. Pasensya na, senior sister, sobra lang akong nag-react.
Welcome to the new era of
Dahil
video
sa ilang
creation
dahilan,
with HeyGen.
ayaw kong may maling
Simply
mag-isip
type
sa
your
akin,
script to get
kaya
started.
inaasahan kong
Welcome
mapapatawad
to the
mo
new
ako.
era of video creation
Ano
with
ba yan?
HeyGen. Simply type
Kung
your
sa
script to
tingin
get
mo ay hindi
started.
mo matanggap, kukunin
Welcome
ko
to
na
the
lang
new
ang
era
3
of video
peaches
creation
bilang
with
kabayaran.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Ayos
script to
lang
get
naman.
started.
O Diyos
Welcome
ko,
to the new
talagang may
era of video
money-shaking tree.
creation with HeyGen. Simply
Yayaman
type your
tayo.
script to get started.
Z.
Welcome to the new
Master,
era of
ito ay
video
fire cloud
creation with
grass.
HeyGen. Simply type
Kayang
your script
dagdagan
to
ang
get
kapangyarihan
started.
ng fire attribute
Welcome
skills.
to the new era of video creation
Maaari
with
itong gamitin
HeyGen.
para
Simply
mag-set
type your
up ng
script to
fire
get
attribute
started.
killer formation.
Welcome to the new era of
Malaki ang
video
nakuha
creation
natin
with
ngayon.
HeyGen. Simply type
Senior
your script to
sister,
get
kung may
started.
makita tayong bagay na
Welcome to
gusto
the new
mo,
era of
kukunin mo
video
ang
creation
kalahati.
with HeyGen.
Hindi
Simply
naman
type
ako
your script to
kawalan.
get started.
Hindi pwede.
Welcome to the new era
Kung
of
hindi
video
dahil sa
creation with
tulong ni Junior
HeyGen.
Brother
Simply
Ye,
type
patay
your
na
script to
ako.
get started.
Paano ko kukunin ang mga nakuha mo? Ayos lang, ayos lang. Kukunin mo rin ang kalahati. At saka, paglabas natin, kakansawan pa rin kita bilang kabayaran. Pero hindi ako basta-bastang babae. Kung
Welcome
dahil
to
sa
the new
gratitude,
era of
handa
video
akong
creation
isuko ang
with
aking
HeyGen.
reputasyon.
Simply type your script to
Ngunit
get
kung gusto
started.
mo lang
Welcome
makipagtransaksyon,
to the new
humanap ka
era
na
of
lang ng
video
iba.
creation with HeyGen.
Senior
Simply
sister,
type your
mali ang
script to get
intindi mo.
started.
Wala
Welcome to the
akong
new
in.
era of video creation
Pero
with
hindi mo alam ang
HeyGen.
value
Simply
ng mga
type your
peaches
script
na
to get
ito,
started.
kaya ipinamimigay mo lang ng
Welcome to the
ganun
new
kadali.
era of video creation
Sobrang
with
sulit
HeyGen.
ito.
Simply type your script to
Ay,
get
wala rin
started.
naman akong kakulangan sa
Welcome
pera.
to the new era of video
Ire.
creation with HeyGen. Simply
Nagpapalakas
type
lang
your
naman
script to
yan ng
get
katawan.
started. Welcome to the
Magkano
new
ba ang
era
value
of
niyan?
video creation with HeyGen.
Naaalala ko,
Simply type
sa
your
isang
script to
auction,
get started.
ang peach na kasing laki lang
Welcome
ng
to the new
3 kapat
era
ng
of video
ganito ay
creation with
naibenta sa
HeyGen.
halagang
Simply type your
30,000
script to get
sovereign
started.
coins.
Welcome to the
3
new
milyong
era of
sovereign
video
coins.
creation with HeyGen.
Sobrang
Simply type
yaman na
your
pala
script to
ako.
get started.
Ano?
Welcome to the new era of video
250,000
creation with
sovereign
HeyGen. Simply
coins.
type your script to get
Ibinigay
started.
ko na pala. Mayroon pa rin akong 17. Tara na. Puno ng mga formations ang lugar na ito. Sa pamamagitan lamang ng paggamit ng natural terrain, madali tayong makakalabas. Ay ang mga kayamanan.
Welcome to the new era
Dito
of
ay
video
napupunta sa
creation
mga
with
estudyanteng
HeyGen.
nakakulong.
Simply type your script to get
Talagang
started.
hanggang dulo ang pagpatay.
Welcome to the new era of
Master,
video creation
nakakaramdam
with
ako ng
HeyGen.
panganib
Simply
dito.
type your script to get
Mas
started.
mabuting umalis na tayo.
Welcome to the new era of video
Ganoon din ang
creation with
nararamdaman ko.
HeyGen. Simply type your script to
Kamamatay
get
lang niyang
started.
Fui.
Welcome to the new
Siguro
era
hindi
of
pa
video
nakaka-react ang
creation
Yang
with
Wei
HeyGen.
Escort
Simply
Agency.
type your script to get
Kapag
started.
napansin nilang may mali,
Welcome to the new
pupunta sila
era
rito
of video
para
creation
ubusin
with
tayo.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Ngunit ang
script to
lugar
get
na ito ay
started.
nasa sentro ng Demon
Welcome to the
Beast
new
Forest.
era of video creation with
Kung maglalakad
HeyGen.
lang tayo
Simply
ng
type your
basta-basta,
script to get
malaki ang
started.
posibilidad na mapunta
Welcome to the
tayo
new
sa
era of
teritoryo
video
ng
creation
high-level
with
Demon
HeyGen.
Beasts.
Simply type your script to
Dumating
get
tayo
started.
rito sakay ng flying boat.
Welcome to the
Paano
new
tayo
era of
makakabalik
video
ngayon?
creation with HeyGen. Simply
Master,
type your
maswerte
script
ka
to get
talaga.
started.
Malapit
Welcome
lang
to the
dito
new
ang
era
old
of
friend
video
ko.
creation with HeyGen.
Sinisigurado
Simply type
kong
your script to
ipinaalam
get
ko na sa
started.
kanya. Old friend, ano ang pressure na ito? Anong nangyayari? Old friend, matagal na tayong hindi nagkita. Lagi kang nakakakita ng mga taong nakakatulong sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Welcome to the
Mayroon
new
akong
era of
spirit
video
beast na si
creation
Mystic
with
Eyes.
HeyGen. Simply
8
type your
level
script
Demon
to get
Beast.
started.
Mystic
Welcome
Eyes
to the
Beast.
new era of video creation with
existence ng
HeyGen.
Marshall Saint.
Simply type your script to get
What the heck?
started. Welcome
Anong
to the new
nangyayari
era
dito?
of video creation with HeyGen.
Don't be afraid,
Simply
miss.
type your script to get
Hindi
started.
lahat ng Demon Beasts
Welcome
ay
to the new
umaatake
era
sa
of
mga
video
tao ng
creation
walang
with
dahilan.
HeyGen. Simply type your
At
script to
saka,
get
malapit
started.
na akong mag-break through
Welcome
to the
to the
8th
new
level.
era of video creation with
Sa ngayon,
HeyGen.
nasa peak
Simply
lang
type
ako
your
ng
script
7th
to get
level.
started.
Katumbas
Welcome to
yan
the
ng
new
peak
era
Marshall
of video
Grandmaster
creation
ng
with
lahi nyo.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Peak naging
script to get
baliw.
started.
Yiming,
Welcome to
matagal
the
na
new
tayong
era
hindi
of video
nagkita.
creation with HeyGen.
Ang lakas ng
Simply type
katawan
your
mo
script
ay
to get
lumalakas pa
started.
rin.
Welcome to the
Balang
new
araw,
era of
magiging
video
malakas ka
creation
rin.
with HeyGen. Simply
Brother
type your
Mystic
script
Eyes,
to get
sinobrahan
started.
mo na.
Welcome to the new era
Ikinalulungkot
of
kong
video
nagpadala ako
creation
ng
with
mensahe
HeyGen.
sa'yo.
Simply type your script to
Ano
get
bang
started.
nangyari? Nakakulong ako sa Demon Beast Forest. Kailangan ko ang tulong mo para makalabas. Narinig kong malapit ka ng mag-breakthrough, kaya ibinigay ko sa iyo ang pill na ito. Master, ang plano na ito ay napakaganda.
Welcome
Ang
to the
mga
new era
high-level
of video
demon beasts
creation
ay
with
may
HeyGen.
intelligence, ngunit
Simply type your script to get
napaka-straightforward.
started.
Kung
Welcome to the
tatanggapin niya
new
ito,
era of
malaki
video
ang utang
creation
na
with
loob niya sa
HeyGen.
iyo.
Simply type your
Kung
script to get
hindi,
started.
ito ay maliit na bagay
Welcome
lang.
to the new era of video
Kahit na bihira
creation
ang
with
pill,
HeyGen.
hindi naman ito
Simply type your
mahirap
script to
bilhin.
get started.
Bakit siya
Welcome to the
mag-aalala?
new era of video
Brother
creation with
Mystic Eyes,
HeyGen.
hindi ba
Simply
kulang
type
ang
your
pera?
script to get started.
Alam mo, ang
Welcome to the new
pag-cultivate ng
era of
Mystic
video
Ice Beast
creation
ay
with
mas mahirap
HeyGen.
kaysa sa
Simply
tao.
type your script to get started.
Maliban na lang kung magiging
Welcome
tao
to the new
sila,
era
hindi
of
sila
video
makakabili
creation
ng
with
pills
HeyGen.
para
Simply type
mag-breakthrough.
your script to get started.
Kung may Mystic Ice Beast na
Welcome to the
pupunta
new
sa
era
lugar
of
ng mga
video
tao
creation
para
with
bumili ng
HeyGen.
pills,
Simply type your
siguradong
script to get
papaligiran siya
started.
ng mga tao.
Welcome to the new era
Yemin,
of video
kahit hindi ako
creation with
tao,
HeyGen.
alam ko kung
Simply
gaano
type your
kahalaga
script to
ang
get
bagay na
started.
ito.
Welcome to
Talaga
the
bang
new
ibibigay
era
mo
of
ito
video
sa
creation
akin?
with HeyGen. Simply
Tinatanggap
type
ko
your
ang
script to
regalo
get
mo.
started.
Ito ang Beast Seal ng Mystic Ice Beast. Sa pamamagitan nito, maaari mo akong tawagan. Hindi alintana kung nasaan ako o ano ang ginagawa ko, tutulungan kita. Ang pabor ng 8th level Mystic Ice Beast ay inaasam ng
Welcome
maraming
to the
tao.
new era of video creation
Habang
with
tumatagal akong
HeyGen.
kasama siya,
Simply
mas
type your
nagugulat
script to
ako
get
sa kanya.
started. Welcome
may
to the new
nangyari,
era of
gumamit ka
video
ng hand
creation
seal
with
para
HeyGen.
hanapin ako.
Simply type your script to get
Okay, Brother
started.
Mystic Eyes.
Welcome to the new era
Junior
of video
brother,
creation
hindi ko
with
akalaing
HeyGen.
ibibigay mo
Simply
ang
type
pills
your
na
script
yon.
to get started.
Sobrang mahalaga
Welcome
ang
to the
mga
new
yon.
era of video creation
Kahit
with
kayang lumikha
HeyGen.
ng pill
Simply
ang
type
isang
your
martial
script to get
scent,
started.
hindi ako papayad.
Welcome to the new
Sa
era
mundo
of
na
video
ito,
creation
ang malalakas
with
ang
HeyGen.
kumakain ng
Simply type your
mahihina.
script to get started.
Kahit gaano
Welcome
kakatalino,
to the new
darating
era
ang
of
oras
video
na
creation
manghihina
with
ka.
HeyGen. Simply
Kung
type
wala
your
kang
script
mga
to get
kaibigan,
started.
paano mo
Welcome to
mapoprotektahan
the
ang
new
iyong
era of
sarili?
video creation with
Naiintindihan
HeyGen.
ko.
Simply type your script to get
Ngunit
started.
ibinigay ko na rin ang
Welcome
regalo.
to the new era of
Hindi
video
kaya pwedeng
creation with
banggitin ko na
HeyGen.
ipapalit ko
Simply
na lang
type your
sa'yo.
script to get started.
Kahit ako, hindi ko
Welcome to
kayang
the new
isuko.
era of video creation with
Senior
HeyGen.
sister, huwag mo
Simply
akong
type your
purihin.
script to get started.
Unahin mo na lang ang sarili mo. Dapat mo na akong tulungan na tapusin ang deal na yan. Hayaan mo muna akong maghanda. The next day, at the academy, Minyu brought back the news of the students who were injured and the death of the sacrifice
Welcome
at the
to the new
sacrificial
era of video
altar.
creation with HeyGen.
The vice president
Simply
was
type your
furious.
script to get started.
He ordered 4 martial
Welcome to the new
sovereigns to
era
kill
of
the
video
Yang Wei
creation
escort
with HeyGen.
agency.
Simply type your script to
Anyone
get
from
started.
martial artists to martial
Welcome to the
masters
new
was
era
killed
of video
within half an
creation with
hour.
HeyGen. Simply
The
type
Yang
your
Wei
script to
escort
get
agency
started.
was wiped out.
Welcome to the new era
Even
of
the 2
video
large
creation
bronze
with
families
HeyGen.
behind the
Simply
Yang Wei
type your
escort
script to get
agency were
started.
removed.
Welcome to the new
Mabilis na
era of
kumalat
video
ang mga
creation
balita
with
sa buong
HeyGen.
Hiveli
Simply
City.
type your script to get
Maraming
started.
bersyon ang lumabas.
Welcome to the new era of
Alam mo
video
ba?
creation with HeyGen.
Pinatay ng
Simply
Vice
type your
President
script
ang
to get
Yang Wei
started.
escort agency.
Welcome to the new era of
Narinig
video
ko,
creation
dahil
with
pinagalitan ng
HeyGen.
Yang
Simply
Master ang
type your
Vice
script to get
President.
started.
Ang lakas
Welcome
ng
to
loob
the
niya
new
para
era of
gawin
video
iyon.
creation with HeyGen.
Sa tingin
Simply
ko,
type your
nakita niya
script
ang
to get
Vice
started.
President na nakasuot ng
Welcome
yi.
to the new era of video
Yili,
creation with
sinisiraan niyo
HeyGen.
lang ang
Simply
pangalan
type
ng
your
Vice
script to get
President.
started.
Narinig ko rin ang ibang kwento. Narinig ko na gumanon ka. Scene transition, the familiar dog-licking plot starts again. Sa wakas, nag-breakthrough na rin ako. Sa wakas ay nasira ko na rin ang limitasyon sa aking
Welcome
bloodline.
to the new era of video
Isa na akong
creation with
martial master.
HeyGen. Simply type
Maraming
your script to
salamat
get
sa iyo,
started.
Lauda.
Welcome to the new
Naiintindihan
era
ko
of
ang
video
lahat,
creation
pero
with
ano nang
HeyGen.
nangyari sa buhok
Simply
mo?
type your script to get
Hindi
started.
kita nakilala.
Welcome to the new era
Hindi
of
ko rin
video
alam.
creation with HeyGen.
Nung
Simply type
nag-breakthrough
your
ako,
script to get
biglang may
started.
lumabas na balahibo.
Welcome to the new era of
Naging
video
ganito ang buhok
creation
ko.
with HeyGen. Simply
Sa
type
totoo
your
lang,
script to get started.
nararamdaman ko na
Welcome to
naging
the
mas
new
gwapo
era
ako.
of video creation with
Kung hindi mo
HeyGen.
gusto,
Simply type your
ahitin ko na
script to
lang.
get started.
Hindi na
Welcome to
kailangan.
the new era of video
Ayos lang
creation
yan.
with HeyGen. Simply type your
Lauda,
script
tingnan
to
mo.
get started.
Hindi ba yun si
Welcome to the
Minyu?
new era of video creation
Kinausap
with
mo na ba?
HeyGen. Simply type your
Hindi
script
pa.
to get started.
Sandali lang,
Welcome to the new
papakilala ko
era
sa
of
iyo
video
ang aking
creation
galing.
with HeyGen. Simply
Scene
type your script
transition,
to get
the
started.
female lead looks exactly
Welcome
like
to the
the
new era
characters
of
from
video
the previous
creation with
books.
HeyGen. Simply type
Tignan
your
mo
script
iyan.
to get started.
Hindi ba yun si Mingren na naka-purple? Ha? Ganoon ba? Hindi ko siya nakita. Paano hindi mo nakita? Sikat siya. Narinig ko na madali siyang kausap. Tignan mo,
Welcome to the
ang
new
kanyang
era of
katawan
video
ay
creation
perpekto.
with HeyGen.
Hindi
Simply
katulad ni
type your
Sulan
script
na
to get
malaki ang
started.
dibdib.
Welcome to the
Maganda
new
na ang
era
ganito,
of video
hindi
creation
kailangang
with
malaki.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Kung may
script to
magawa
get
ako sa
started.
kanya, magiging masaya
Welcome to
ako.
the new era of video
Maglalakas
creation
loob
with
ka talagang
HeyGen.
gawin yon.
Simply type your script to get
Kung hindi,
started.
magiging maingat na lang
Welcome to the
ako.
new era of video
Kausin.
creation with HeyGen.
Kausin,
Simply type
sa
your
wakas
script to
nakita
get
rin kita.
started. Welcome
Ayan,
to the new
magsimula
era
na
of
tayo
video
sa ating
creation
deal.
with HeyGen. Simply
Huwag
type your
ngayon.
script to get started.
Hindi pa ako handa.
Welcome to the new era of
Ay,
video
huwag kang
creation with
mag-alala.
HeyGen. Simply
Ay,
type your
Ming,
script to
pumayat
get
ka ng
started.
sobra.
Welcome to the new
Sasabihin
era
ko
of
sa
video
kanila.
creation with HeyGen.
This name
Simply
is
type
Ning.
your script to get started.
Loss. It really is
Welcome to
crushing
the
the
new
male
era
lead
of
to the
video
point that
creation
he
with
is deformed.
HeyGen. Simply type your script to
God.
get started.
If not because
Welcome
of the
to the new
place, I
era
would
of video
definitely
creation
castrate
with
him.
HeyGen. Simply type your
Well,
script
she
to
really
get
did
started.
lose a lot of weight. There's not much meat left at all. Does it hurt? Can't you be a little more gentle? It's because I haven't had chance to nibble on you in so long that I got a bit excited for a moment. I'll
Welcome
pay
to the
attention
new
next
era of
time.
video creation with
It really
HeyGen.
is good to have
Simply
new
type your
things
script
and
to get
forget about
started.
the old.
Welcome to the
Let's
new
go
era
to the
of video
Supreme building to
creation with
play,
HeyGen.
and then replenish
Simply
it
type
for
your
you.
script to get
How about
started.
that?
Welcome to the
Indeed,
new
as
era of
expected
video
of
creation
Lauda,
with
what I could
HeyGen.
only
Simply
yearn for,
type your
you
script to get
directly did it.
started.
Admire.
Welcome to the new era of
You were
video
even
creation
able to
with
hug her in
HeyGen.
front of
Simply type
everyone.
your script to get started.
Not bad, not bad.
Welcome to the new era
You
of
did a
video
good job.
creation with HeyGen.
Hey,
Simply type
it
your
seems
script
like
to
you
get
didn't
started.
think I would complete the deal
Welcome
to
to the
begin
new
with.
era of video creation
If
with
not,
HeyGen.
barely would she
Simply
slap
type
you
your
with a
script
check.
to get started.
Actually,
Welcome to
completing
the
the
new
deal
era
is
of
just
video
a
creation
formality.
with HeyGen. Simply
Even
type
if you
your
fail,
script to get
the Indian
started.
Union will not reject
Welcome
you.
to the new era of
The
video
reason
creation
why
with
I
HeyGen.
made the deal so
Simply type your
important
script
at
to
the
get
beginning was
started.
just to see if you
Welcome
were
to the new
serious or
era
not.
of video creation with
Oh, and my
HeyGen.
God.
Simply type your script to
Sana
get
ay
started.
makatulong ito.